months in jail, I was praying for bail. Fence, I'm in the wing like Vel. Shoot my place in the up by hell. Reminiscing on the wing of my cell. Can't say when I pressed my bell. I was banged up watching Keenan and Kel. T-House bagging up with Mel. Just bagged up a 9 and my hands them smell. Gave her pack, now she thinks she's my girl. Sorry babe, I hope you don't kiss and tell. This shit one step tight in Chanel. Back in the dust, I made her give me a 12. Remember back in the days in Excel. So I'm got splash my oh well. Yo, me I can't sleep on the L. I just hear the up, got no juice like. I told bro you'll soon be on. Keep your head up high like you're having a nosebleed. Should I leave him alone like Posty? Or should I make this beat like Ghosty? Yo, she just wanna snap.
Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm doing a bike check on my Fat Ripper. So I'm gonna get into it. I've got to take my bike outside and then I'll show you. I'll get back to you. So the first thing I've got on my bike is a Magic. And then the next thing I've got is a little Harry collector seat. It's so comfortable. And that's how I do it. That's my favourite. It's my favourite seat. I've got red grip tape, which is kind of wearing out now. XT brake. I've got black ODI bars, purple ODI grips. I've got a bit of purple reflective tape down around. And people keep asking me what tyres I've got. I've got V-Tyreco tyres. You get them off like chain reaction cycles or something like that. I've got purple plastic DMR pedals. So I'll show you a few clips on my bike now. Video today. I hope you like and subscribe, so I'll see you in the next one.